Okay, today we're doing day 3 of lesson 2.3. The objective today, students will learn to write the y-intercept equation for a line. The standard covered in this lesson is 8EE6. Today we're going to be working with our y-intercept equation, only this time we're going to be given a line and expected to write out the equation. So we're going to review really quick the parts of the equation. Our equation is y equals mx plus b, where m represents the slope of the line and the b represents our y-intercept, or where our line crosses the y line. So our steps that we're going to take today is we're going to go ahead and first start by marking 2 points on our line. One of those points being where it crosses our y-intercept. So there's one of them. Our second point needs to be where it crosses another corner of our grid. So if I follow my line down, I see that it crosses again right here. So now we're going to go ahead and find our slope and our y-intercept and plug it into our equation. So I always like to start out with the y-intercept because it's very quick. So here this crosses at positive 4, so it is a plus 4. And then our slope is our rise over our run. So our rise is 1, 2, 3 boxes. Our run is 2 boxes. And our slope is going downward from left to right, so that's a negative slope. So our final answer on this is y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 4. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and practice this. So the key thing is understanding how to identify 2 points, how to count our slope, and then how to identify our y-intercept. Okay, so here's our next one. First of all, we're going to identify where we've got our 2 points. So I see a point here, which is actually at 0, so that's our y-intercept, plus 0. And then where it crosses another corner would be here. These ones, like there and there, look very close to being on the corner, but they're not exactly on the corner. So now we're going to go ahead and do our rise and our run. Our rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. Our run is 1, 2, 3. And this, once again, is also a negative slope because it goes down from left to right. So our final answer is y equals negative 5 over 3 x. And yes, it is plus 0, so we could actually just leave that off of our equation. Okay, so let's try another one. Okay, so we've got where it crosses our y-intercept is right here, so that's at positive 3, so I'm going to go ahead and plug that in right away. And then we're going to find where it crosses a corner again. So it looks to me like our first corner cross is right there. There's some that are very close, so now if I check my rise and my run, my rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. My run is 1, 2, 3, so it's 5 over 3, and that's a positive slope. So our final answer is y equals 5 over 3 x plus 3. And we won't always have a plus in that back end. Sometimes it will be a negative if it happens to cross in the negative part of our y-intercept. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and pause your video and try this one. Your final answer on this would be y equals 3x plus 2, because 3 over 1 would reduce to 3x. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and bring out a blank one and give you one more to do, but we're going to change something up on this. Okay, so I want you to go ahead, whoops, love it when that happens. Go ahead and write the y-intercept equation for this one. So you can go ahead and pause your video and write your y-intercept equation on this one. So you should have ended up with a final answer of y equals negative 1x minus 4, because our slope here was 4 over 4, which of the 2 points that I identified, which then reduces down to 1, and that was a negative line. So y equals negative 1x minus 4. That's pretty much it for this part of the lesson. So good luck with this. And like I said, it's the reversal of what you guys have been doing. I had been giving you the equation and you guys were drawing the line, so we were just doing the opposite. Good luck with this one.